Would you like to try our free mortgage calculator? It's really easy and simple to use. Just jump over to our website www.how-collect-a-debt.com or follow the link in our description. Click on the Mortgage Home Calculator page. Enter your purchase price. Select your mortgage term. Use the slide bars to select your down payment. Annual taxes. Interest rate. Enter your annual insurance cost. Monthly HOA. And that's it. You can have the results emailed to you. Just enter your email address and click Send Results.